Hey guys, welcome back to today's new video. Today I'm going to be refinishing this coffee table. I bought it on Facebook Marketplace for 25 bucks and that's really cheap. Honestly, I think it should have been a little less expensive because I'm going to give you a little cut too and I'm going to show you all the scratches on it. So I'm totally going to sand the top with my power sander and I'm gonna show you how I'm doing that. I'll do a little time lapse and then this bottom part you can't see from where we are, but I'm gonna put up close shots. It's black and it's I guess iron or cast iron or whatever, but it's all scratched up, so I'm going to take some matte spray paint to that. I don't have the spray paint today, so I'll probably do that a different day, but I'm definitely gonna sand the top down. And yeah, and it's really cute too because it opens. It's perfect for storage, and that's really what I was drawn to about it. So I'm excited to get started on this little project today for the apartment.
Stargaze, cool breeze, our glaze, dance with the fireflies. Midnight sundress, champagne, fireworks in mid-July.
And that's a wrap. I just sanded the whole entire thing. Oh my goodness, it took a while, and I am so sandy. But it looks really, really good, and I'm excited to stain it. I don't think I'm going to do that today, but I will probably do that tomorrow because it is late. But it looks so good, and my coronavirus mask came in handy because I was getting all this sawdust in my mouth and eyes, and I should have probably been wearing goggles, but I didn't really think about that because usually I only sand a top of something. But yeah, I'm so happy. All right, guys, so it is the same day actually. I didn't think I was going to stain them today, but I decided, hey, let's bring these inside and stain it today. I already cleaned the top of the coffee table and the top, and I'm not gonna, I didn't sand down the inside. The inside was pretty nice, and that's just a lot of work, so I just kept it because it already looked fine. So I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse and I'm gonna stain this, and I'm excited to see what it looks like. Yeah, because I can't stop crafting. All right, here we go.
I believe in you and me. We could be together forever.
All right, the stain is all done, and crazy enough, it matches the inside perfectly. I didn't even plan for that, but it literally looks perfect. So yeah, I'm really excited. Tomorrow I'm going to flip over this one piece here and get the other side of it. There's just one little spot that needs to be stained. But yeah, we're good. It's done. Pretty much. And then yeah, next time you see me, I'll probably be either polying the top or using black spray paint on the bottom. Alright guys, we are back, and today we're going to be polying the top of the coffee table, and it's all stained, the stain's all dry. I wanted to do it all in one shot, so I put a box in here just so I could, have a little bit of lift, and I'm just going to poly it. But first, and I have a little bit of lift here, so yeah, I'm excited. But first, I'm actually going to get my tack cloth and just make sure there's no little, fuzzies or specks on the piece, and then I'm gonna get into my poly. And I really love this Minwax indoor outdoor spray polyurethane. It's way easier than the one where you coat it. It just goes on way more even, and I enjoy it. So here we go. And all the products that I use I'll link down below, so you guys can follow along if you are refinishing a project very similar to this. And here's my tack cloth. It's by Rust-Oleum, and it literally just looks like this. It's super sticky though, and I'm just going to go over it like so. Just take it apart, spread it, and you can use these tack cloths more than once, so don't think you have to throw it out because they're kind of expensive actually. They're like $5 for one. And just to use it on one project, it seems a little unreasonable to me. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I know it's very noisy out here. I live in rural New Jersey, so you hear lots of critters over here. And I'm just polying the outside because I did not stain the inside, because the inside looked great as it was. It was just the outside that needed some work. All right, and when you have your polyurethane, you want to shake it up really, really good. Give it a good shake. And then what you're going to do is do even coats over the whole thing. So I'm going to start out in the back.
Now, baby, I believe in you and me. We could be together from forever.
And then I'm going to wait like about a minute, and then I'm going to coat it again, and I'm going to do this about another 4 or 5 times just to make sure it's really, really coated, because this is a coffee table and it's going to get a lot of use. So the more poly, the better. And yeah, I'm going to put you guys on a time lapse now.
We could be together. Now, baby, I believe.
All right, so here it is wet with the poly on it. And I didn't have time to spray paint the bottom part black yet, but I will do that tomorrow, I think. And it's looking really good. I brought it inside because obviously there's lots of bugs outside. So I did the poly outside, then I brought it inside. I had my dad help me carry it in to dry. So by tomorrow, this will be all dry and I'll be able to screw on the hardware and I think pretty much use it. But I will also be spray painting the bottom, so that'll have to dry tomorrow too. Yay! It's done! It's not even close to done, but we're getting there. It's looking cute. All right, guys, so today I'm going to be finishing off the coffee table, and I'm going to spray paint this cast iron, I don't know what you want to call this, legs to the coffee table, black. You can't see it from here, but I'm going to give you an up-close shot of it, but it's all like scratched up and yucky looking. And I also wanted to give it more of like a semi-gloss finish. So I'm going to use this Rust-Oleum hammered paint and primer in one. And you can use this on any surface. You can use it on wood, metal, plastic, or masonry. It's really, really nice. I love Rust-Oleum paint. I also love their chalk paint as well. They just have really great products. I used their tack cloth earlier. I also like Minwax. So I'm excited to just get into this because this is like the finishing touch here, and then just putting on hardware. So again, you want to make sure you shake up your spray paint really, really good. Give it a good shake. And you also want to make sure you're in an area where the overspray isn't going to ruin anything. Like this is grass, the grass gets cut, so we're not worried about it. This table is literally, I bought it to do this stuff on it. So just make sure that you're in an area where the overspray is not gonna get on anything important. And I'm gonna actually move this back a smidge more too. And then you just, same thing that we did with the Minwax, you just go back and forth. Lightly let me detect it first. Perfect, it's working.
Forever, chasing down the sunset, cruising in your Corvette.
And you really want to make sure you're doing light coats.
Cause we loved in colors, rainbows inside.
And you also want to make sure you're out of the way of the wind here.
Chasing down the sunset, cruising in your Corvette. Kissing in a sweet talk underneath the boardwalk.
I'm going to give that about 5 minutes to dry, and then I'm going to go and recoat with the second coat, just letting it get a little tacky before I start slapping on a ton of paint. Alright, and this is the finished product. And as you can see, we have no couch yet, and that's actually being delivered today. So I'm excited to see it with the couch, and it just looks so good. And look at how this spray paint came out. It just looks so nice, and I just love it. It's amazing. And it's gonna be perfect because it gives us storage because this is a small living room space, as you can see, but it is stylish and it goes with our decor. So like here's our chandelier, and that goes with like the bottom of it, and then here's another light fixture we have. And just ignore the fact that there's one bulb missing. My boyfriend put it in another lamp. Yeah, so I'm so excited about it. I think it looks great. It's gonna be really, really nice with the couch that's coming today that I'm so excited about. And yeah, guys, you could definitely do all this on a budget. So I would say I bought the thing the coffee table used for $25, and then I spent about $10 on polyurethane and $10 on spray paint. So all in for a coffee table was about $45, and I'm like overestimating how much the poly and spray paint was. So for like $45, you can have like a brand new beautiful coffee table. And so yeah, definitely try refinishing and restoring something because it saves you a lot of money. Bye guys, I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.